Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Sterling Chase here, just making a quick video on a sweet open source and free screen recording software called Loom. And I stumbled upon this about a month ago, and I've been using it pretty heavily since then for my business. And I work a lot with different clients, working on their websites, and sometimes it's so much easier just to record a 1 to 2 minute video, send it to them, than to try to explain stuff in an email. That way they can just watch it, they can watch it in action, and then get me their feedback back just instantaneously, and that's what Loom is good for. So let me jump into that. So the way that Loom works is you go and you sign up for a free account. You install an extension in Chrome, so you have to use Chrome. I think it's the only browser that supports it, but it can be used on Windows, Mac, and Linux, which is fantastic. But you install that browser, and then once you're logged in, you're able to access your video library. And I'll just give you a quick little demo of what that looks like. So here's all your videos that you've recorded. You can create folders and organize your stuff. You have starred videos. You can go to My Videos, and there's some more. There's like a notification center and lets you know when people comment and keep people do things on your videos. It's pretty nice. But let's show you kind of the interface and what it looks like. So if I come and I click on this little Loom tab, you can see that it pops open a little record window, and here I can prepare my recording. Here I have the screen and cam option where it shows a little video at the bottom, and there you can see, hey guys, how's it going? Then there's a screen option, and then there's a cam only option. So there's 3 different ways that you can record videos based on what you need to do. There's full desktop mode or current tab mode. Full desktop mode allows you to choose application windows as well. So I'll show you that in a second. Then there's advanced. Here you can see my audio feedback, and then here we can select our audio devices. But once you have it all set up, all you have to do is click that guy and then pretty much make sure you're selected on the right one and click start recording. So let's start a recording real quick. I'm going to select all, but you could also select your application window like I mentioned. So I'm just going to select my entire screen. I'm going to start recording. So we got 3, 2, 1. And then here I would have my video playing, so let's show that. And then you can pause your video during the middle, which is really nice because sometimes it's nice to get some stuff done if you have to log in and you weren't logged in when you started your video, or you have to do something like that, or put in some credit card details or something like that. You could skip through that part. And then they also have a clip tool. So if you do mess up during a video, it's not a huge deal. You can always edit it afterwards, and I'll show you that in just a sec as well. So it's nice that they let you have a pause, but once you're done with your video and everything looks good, you're going to click Finish Recording. This is going to open a new tab, and this is your specific video recording. You can notice that it grabbed and set the title to whatever the tab you were on's title is. So you can adjust this title to be whatever you want. You can copy the link, you can share it via Twitter, Facebook, email, and also you can embed it in your website. So here I just have my dev page open. Let's embed it in my dev page to see what that looks like. And there we go. So let's give it a sec to load, and there we go. So that's how easy it is to embed it. And then they can open it in Loom, and they can even do little thumbs ups and stuff right there in the video, which is kind of cool. So if we come back to our video that we're editing, that's how you share it. You can actually, in the timeline, if you needed to tag the timeline for different things, you could say step 1. Step 1 is here. Then you could say step 2 is here. If you're giving someone a tutorial, sometimes it's nice to be able to tag it, and then all they have to do is click, and it takes them right to the sections that you have tagged. They can reply to your comments. They can reply to your comments as well, and then it also grabs the URL and suggests that you put the URL that you started the screen on there. You can either add that or you can just remove it. Here's where you can add some instructions below the video. And then it pretty much auto saves them. So as you make updates, it's just really nice. It tells you how many people have viewed it. It can notify you when somebody's viewed it. You can lock it so that certain people can only view it. So you can say who can view this video, anyone with this link, or you can even set a password and make it password protected, so only people who have a password can see this video. It's pretty nice. You can download it to your computer, and then here is the cutting center. So if we click this cut button, you can see it's going to give me a little selecting tool there, so I can select, say I messed up in my video and I needed to clip out a certain section, or I had a credit card detail showed up in my video or something like that. I could just add a trim, publish my changes. it's going to process these changes on my video, and it's going to delete those and just merge that right together. So it's pretty nice for clipping out any errors that you do have while you're making it. And it's just a really quick, slick way to share a video, get feedback, lock it down if you need to, embed it, just record a video on any platforms, cross-platform, and I've loved using it. Hope you guys enjoy using it, and if you have any questions, let me know.